Zoho One has the tools you need to build your brand's presence and capture leads from all your marketing channels. Anyone can design a website using our drag-and-drop site builder. You can view heat maps to learn how visitors are using your site and run A/B tests to experiment with new messaging and designs. Zoho One can help you reach customers everywhere. Whether you need to plan an email series or post on social media, we have tools to help you get your message out. Find prospects in person or online and pass the best ones to CRM so your sales team never misses an opportunity to follow up. You can automate complex marketing campaigns, and when they're finished, calculate their ROI by tracking the deals generated in CRM and viewing Zoho One's built-in marketing dashboard. Your team can use Zoho One's complete Office suite to collaborate on messaging or host quick video calls. Sign up to see how Zoho One can help you market smarter. You can create one free website for every 10 users you have on your Zoho One plan. The first step is giving your site a name. Then you can pick a template from our gallery. Adding sections to your site is easy. We give you lots of different pre-made elements. The pre-made sections in Zoho sites are built with a business website in mind. For instance, if you want to have a testimonial section on your website, we have this as a pre-made element. Making changes to your website is easy. If I wanted to swap out this image, I could just click on it and then hit Change Image. I can choose a new image from a gallery that I've already uploaded, or click on the Upload button to get one for my desktop. Zoho Sites also makes it easy to integrate your website with other Zoho services. I can just click on the plus button and choose Element. Then, if I scroll down to the bottom, I can grab this newsletter and drag it onto my website. To connect the newsletter to Zoho Campaigns, all we have to do is click on the integration button. Then we can choose which email list we want to send these emails to. Every website that you build with Zoho Sites gets automatically optimized for mobile and tablets. You can view how this will look on different devices by clicking on Preview. Your web hosting is covered by Zoho Sites, but if you want your own domain name, you will have to pay for that separately.
Use Zoho PageSense to visualize how visitors are interacting with your website. One way to do this is using a heat map, which shows you where people are generally clicking on the page. Another way to do this is with the scroll map, which shows you how far down the page your visitors usually get. You can also use this on the tablet or mobile version of your website. You can also segment your audience. You can do this in order to see how new and returning visitors interact differently with your website, or to target people coming from different sources, countries, and browsers. Zoho PageSense can also be added to any already existing website, whether or not it was built on Zoho sites.
Zoho PageSense lets you run A/B tests so you can see how changes on your web page affect visitors. When you create an A/B test, the first thing you do is give your experiment a name. Then you can paste in the website that you want to run your test on. PageSense will load up your website, and then you can go and click on any element that you want to change for your experiment. For example, if I wanted to change the color of this button, I could just click it, and then come over here and switch out the color. If you want to make a more extensive change during your A/B test, you can click on the global code button and paste in some JavaScript or CSS that alters the entire look of a page. If you'd rather build your page variation inside your normal website builder, then you can do a split URL test instead of an A/B test. This lets you build different web pages and then redirect some of the visitors who would be going to the original page to your variation. After you've made your variation, the next step is to set a goal. Goals can be things like how much revenue is generated by your online store, how much time is spent on a page, or clicks on specific elements on your website. To track clicks on an element, PageSense can load up your website. As you hover over different parts of your website, they'll be highlighted. All you have to do is click on one, and PageSense will track the clicks on it. After that, I can configure how much of the audience will see the original page and how much will see the variation. If I want even more details from this, I can enable a heat map so that later I can go back and see how people interacted with the website using the variation and the original page. After your experiment has been running for a while, you'll see a report showing which variation was more successful in getting visitors to reach your goal.